Hi. So we are going to see how to assign keys in the keyboard options. Like we want to create some new shortcut keys here. So in HyperMesh 23, go to Edit, uh, go to View, Keyboard, Shortcuts, and then uh, if you want to go to if you want to assign suppose the beams, uh, so you can just type beams here. You can do, if you want to assign one, you can assign one, or you can assign, if you want to assign with control or shift, so you can just press control one. This is how it will assign. So if I press control one, if I press control one, the beam window will open. Okay. Similarly, if you want to assign for some other keyboards, I can do it. Suppose RB2. Yeah, R sorry, suppose I want to assign the rigits. So rigits I can just suppose I need to press with, I will not need to use the shortcut of 2. I will do this one. Yes, and just if I press 2, the rigits will come. Okay, so this is how it is. And again, you can go to here keyboard options. You can, even if you wanted, you can uh, save your file as any XML format, uh, and next time you can just import this one. Okay. Okay, in 19 it is again quite simple. You need to go to preferences, keyboards, then uh, you just need to copy paste it. I'll show you how. You just copy this panel, and suppose for R, uh, sorry, for shift plus R, I want to make the ruled option here. So this is the ruled option, and I'm trying to use shift plus R for the ruled option. So instead of delete, you need to type ruled here. And suppose for rigits, I need shift plus 2, or maybe without any shortcut key, I need the 2 in rigits. Okay, so I will go here, type rigits, press OK. So with 2, I am getting the rigits here, and with shift plus R, I am getting the ruled option here. So to save this configuration, I can just put here, go to export, and in the TCL format you can even export these things. Okay, if you want to import it in a new session, just go to key options and again import this in file. So it will work it like that. Thank you.